Thanks for tuning in. This your girl Tasha. Today I'll be using this image with sublimation ink on a plain old 100% cotton t-shirt. Let's get straight into the video. First off, I'm going to open up Silhouette Studio so I can size and print my image. So I'm going to go up to the file icon and find the PNG that I'm going to use. And here's the image. It's much larger than what I want to use. So I'm going to go up and downsize it to 8 inches in width and 10 inches in height. So here the image appears to be larger than the canvas, but I'm just going to rotate it to the side. And here the warning icon popped up. It's just letting me know that I may print out a low resolution picture just because my image is large. So now we're going to go up to the print icon and just print out the image. So first I'm going to select the printer I'm using, which is my Epson printer. And the warning indicator light is on because I got to fill it with paper. Okay, and we're going to flip the image horizontally, and then we're going to go ahead and hit print. Now the image is printing. Here is the image after it has printed. Next, I'm going to get the heat press started at 400 degrees on 40 seconds, which I accidentally pushed 401, but you get the drill. So y'all know it's levels to this sublimation process. So now I'm just going to cut my butcher paper so I can fit a piece on the inside of the shirt and one for the top. Here you see me sticking the butcher paper on the inside of the shirt, just so the ink won't bleed over into the other side. Now the heat press is fired up and ready to go. So here you just see me placing the t-shirt. So now I'm going to give the shirt a pre-press for a few seconds just to get the moisture out. So now I'm going to use my lint roller just to get the extra lint or anything off of the t-shirt before I put the image on. Next, I'm going to use the 3-finger method, which is 3 fingers down from the collar is where I'm going to place the image. Next, I'm going to put a piece of heat-resistant tape just to lock my image down. And now I'm going to place the other piece of butcher paper on top of the image. And now it's time to press and wait on the results. Oh man, now it's time for the big reveal. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Woo! Okay. It left a lot of ink on the paper. I guess cotton doesn't absorb sublimation ink good. Oh, and this is the butcher paper that was on the inside of the shirt. But I always thought that sublimating on cotton was one of those forbidden things that you just couldn't do. So I'm here to tell you, it's not the worst thing in the world. I've seen worse. It's not high quality, but if you was going for a vintage look, the little washed out look, then this would be perfect. And it wouldn't be a garment that I sell or anything, but it would be something that I would wear every now and then that I made for myself. So I'm going to do a quick comparison of a sock that's 100% polyester. You see how vibrant the colors are? So it does make a difference, but as you can see, it's not the worst in the world. But those colors on that sock are popping. This is just me playing around in the shirt. But if you want to see more videos on sublimation, make sure you click the playlist on the screen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I really appreciate y'all for coming and checking your girl out. See you in the next video. Bye.